Probably the dodgiest lift in Mount Ommaney is this Kone Stella, which is pretty much an R7 hydraulic version. God, this thing's cheap. Doesn't run that bad though, to be honest. Oh well. Doesn't line up though. Oh, that one does. Lift 2, 910 kilograms, 12 persons, installed in 2000, apparently. Oh, so it's early, isn't it? That scared me. AMD? Oh, is that AMD? No. Whatever R7s have, I don't know what the name of it is. So that stuff slow that speed up. This cab's weird. The big vents at the bottom, so it's a bit different from an R7 cab, but similar. Very interesting. Look, this lights up. An overload. What's that? Phone and service. Probably emergency light. What a controller this has. Press door opens it close. No. Who knows what controller this has? Interesting.